Halo guys, masih bersama kami VIP Service. Oke, sebelum lanjut jangan lupa klik like, komen, dan subscribe-nya teman-teman, karena itu semua gratis dan membantu kami semakin semangat upload konten-konten tentang perbaikan HP kalian. Oke teman-teman, di depan saya sudah ada Samsung Zfold 3. LCD tengahnya itu hitam. Untuk LCD luarnya masih normal. Untuk kondisi dalamnya, nah ini kondisi dalamnya seperti ini ya teman-teman, kelihatan hitam ya. Oke, langsung saja kita kerjakan. Sebelumnya kita matikan dahulu handphonenya. Ya teman-teman, di sini sebelumnya layar depannya sudah saya lepas ya. Maksudnya sudah saya bongkar dahulu. Karena untuk layar depannya itu buat melepasnya harus ekstra hati-hati sekali ya teman-teman. Karena LCD-nya sangat tipis sekali. Jadi tidak bisa untuk buru-buru. LCD-nya tipisnya segini. Disamakan saja dengan kertas, hampir 2 kali lipatnya. Kemungkinan 0,3 mili kira-kira. Jadi pelepasannya itu harus ekstra hati-hati. Untuk bagian yang ini agak susah ya. Bagian yang ini sangat sulit sekali untuk dibuka. Oh iya, untuk melepas LCD-nya pakai apa sih mas? Jadi saya bukanya cuma pakai ini sama tambahan cairan jahat dari kami ya.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better.
Untuk Zfold 3 itu bautnya banyak sekali ya teman-teman.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright.
Saya siapkan dulu LCD-nya. Jadi ini LCD-nya ya teman-teman. LCD-nya masih baru. Jangan lupa slot SIM-nya dilepas ya.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Ini baut sudah terbongkar semua. Kita buka soketnya satu persatu.
Way back a year ago. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Ini kita bongkar baterainya ya teman-teman. Kita buka dahulu.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Ini kita buka backdoor yang belakangnya ya.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long.
Ini masih belum terbuka. Ini kita menggunakan cairan jahat agar lebih mudah untuk membukanya.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like.
Kalau teman-teman ada keluhan di handphone, bisa tanyakan langsung ke kami. Sebisa mungkin kami jawab di kolom komentar. Bisa juga di DM Instagram kami VIPSERVICE Jogja, atau bisa juga langsung di TikTok kami.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
like nothing I felt. My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Sudah terbuka teman-teman.
Hey kid,
Sekarang kita buka baut lagi ya teman-teman. Karena bautnya itu sangat banyak untuk Zfold juga.
everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb.
Baterai Zfold 3 itu ada dua ya teman-teman. Mesinnya juga pun ada dua, depan dan belakang.
They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Jika ini sudah terbongkar semua, kita rakit LCD satunya teman-teman, yang baru tadi.
Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone.
Kita lanjut pemasangan untuk bagian belakangnya dahulu ya.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Jika belum pas, jangan dipaksakan. Kita cek dahulu apakah sudah pas atau belum. Karena kalau tidak pas itu biasanya nggak enak.
consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all.
Ini belum saya lem ya teman-teman, karena untuk mencoba terlebih dahulu apakah bisa digunakan atau tidak, layarnya tampil atau tidak. Sekarang kita pindah di mesin depannya ya. Ini kita lepas dulu plastiknya, karena ini masih baru ya teman-teman.
I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back.
Oke, kita coba dahulu.
Way back before we blew it all.
Oke, mantap. Hidup ya teman-teman. Ini untuk LCD depannya. Oke, kita cek dahulu ya teman-teman. Ini untuk touchscreen-nya aman ya teman-teman.
Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
Untuk sinyal muncul ya teman-teman. Kalau mau cek di sini, ini sinyal sudah oke ya. Kemudian LCD utamanya saya coba touchscreen-nya terlebih dahulu. Ini untuk touchscreen-nya mantap ya teman-teman. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Kemudian kita cek kameranya. Oke, bisa. Ini untuk touchscreen-nya mantap ya, normal semua. Di sini kita tinggal melakukan pengeleman saja teman-teman untuk LCD depan dan backboardnya tadi. Ini coba saya pasangkan kartu SIM untuk pengecekan sinyal.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless,
Sinyal oke ya teman-teman.
I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up.
Ini kita coba cek pulsanya.
Rub it on like lotion, I can feel it soaking. Reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move.
Oke, bisa ya teman-teman. Oke, sekian dulu dari kami VIPSERVICE. Salam sehat selalu. Jangan lupa mampir kalau main ke Jogja ya teman-teman. daerah Jalan Kaliurang KM 17.
Need to be strong, every breath hold, 'cause I can't move on till I let go.